Good morning, children. Today we are going to study integrals involving trigonometric functions. That is continuation of exercise 7.2. Listen. First one. Find the integral of tan x dx. This can be written as integral tan x is sin x by cos x dx. Then put cos x is equal to t. So minus sin x dx is equal to dt. So sin x dx is equal to minus dt. Integral sin x dx is minus dt by t is equal to minus integral dt by t is equal to minus log modulus t plus c is equal to minus log absolute value of what is t? Cos x plus c is equal to, we have to remove this minus, we write log cos x is sec x plus c. Minus log cos x means log sec x. Log minus log absolute value of cos x means log absolute value of sec x plus c. Second question. Integral cot x dx equals integral cos x by sin x dx equals, put sin x is equal to t, cos x dx is equal to dt. So integral cos x dx is dt by sin x is t equals log modulus t plus c is equal to log, what is the value of t? Sin x plus c, log absolute value of sin x plus c. Then third question. Integral sec x dx. For finding the integral of this sec x dx, we write integral sec x into multiplying both the numerator and denominator by sec x plus tan x. Sec x plus tan x dx. Now we put sec x plus tan x is equal to t. Find the derivative. Sec x is sec x tan x plus tan x is sec square x dx is equal to dt. Take sec x common. Sec x into tan x plus sec x dx is equal to dt. Now look at the question. Sec x into tan x plus sec x dx is dt. Integral dt by sec x plus tan x is t equals log modulus t plus c equals log absolute value of t. T is sec x plus tan x plus c, log sec x plus tan x plus c. Fourth question. Integral cosec x dx. Integral cosec x dx is integral cosec x into we multiply both the numerator and denominator by cosec x plus cot x by cosec x plus cot x dx. Now substitution. Put cosec x plus cot x is equal to t. Find the derivative. Cosec x is minus cosec x cot x plus cot x is minus cosec square x dx is equal to dt. Take cosec x minus cosec x outside, minus cosec x into first one cot x plus cosec x dx is equal to dt. Here cosec x into cosec x plus cot x. So cosec x into cot x plus cosec x dx is equal to this minus sign goes to right side, minus dt. So integral, this is my numerator is minus dt divided by t equals minus integral dt by t equals minus log modulus t plus c equals minus log modulus, what is t? Cosec x plus cot x plus c. Here we have a minus sign. For removing this minus sign, we write minus log cosec x plus cot x into cosec x minus cot x divided by cosec x minus cot x plus c equals minus log, this is cosec square x minus cot square x divided by cosec x minus cot x plus c is equal to, here cosec square x minus cot square x is 1. So minus log 1 by cosec x minus cot x is log cosec x minus cot x plus c. Here cosec square minus cot square x is 1 minus log absolute value of 1 by cosec x minus cot x is equal to log absolute value of cosec x minus cot x plus c. Now next question. Question number 5. Find the following integrals. Question, integral sin cube x cos square x dx is the question. Here for finding integral we write sin cube x is sin square x into cos square x into sin x dx. Now put cos x is equal to t and integral sin square x is 1 minus cos square x. Sin square x is 1 minus cos square x into cos square x into sin x dx. Then cos x is equal to t minus sin x dx is equal to dt. dt. So sin x dx is equal to minus dt. So integral 1 minus cos x is t, cos square is 1 minus t square into cos square x is t square into sin x dx is minus dt equals integral. We multiply t square into 1, t square minus t square into t square t raised to 4 minus dt. Again we multiply, take minus outside, we get t square minus t raised to 4 dt. Integrate minus t square is t cube by 3 minus t raised to 4 is t raised to 5 by 5 plus c. Next step is multiplying throughout by negative sign, t cube by 3 plus t raised to 5 by 5 plus c equals, first we write positive number t raised to 5 by 5 minus t cube by 3 plus c. Then change t 1 by 5 into what is t? T is equal to cos x. T raised to 5 is cos raised to 5x minus this t cube is 1 by 3 into t cube is cos raised to 3x plus c. So our answer is 1 by 5 cos raised to 5x minus 1 by 3 cos cube x plus c. Next question. These are all very important questions. Six, integral sin x dx by sin x plus a. Here we put x plus a is equal to t. Dx is equal to dt. What is x? X is equal to t minus a. From x plus a is equal to t, we have x is equal to t minus a. Integral sin, what is x? T minus a. Sin t minus a into dx is equal to dt by sin x plus a is sin t. Now integral, this is in the form sin a minus b. Sin a minus b is sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. In place of a here t and b small a. So sin a minus b is sin a cos b minus cos a sin b whole divided by sin t dt. We separate the integral. Integral sin t cos a divided by sin t dt minus integral cos t sin a by sin t dt is equal to, first one sin t cancelled, integral cos a dt minus next sin a cos t by sin t minus integral sin a into cos t by sin t is cot t dt equals integral. Here cos a is constant, that take outside, cos a into integral dt minus sin a is constant, that take outside, cot t dt. Now we integrate cos a into, what is integral dt? T plus cos a into integral t minus sin a into What is integral cot t? We know that from the result integral cot t is equal to log absolute value of sin t plus a constant. We write that constant is c1 equals cos a into what is t? T is equal to x plus a minus sin a into log absolute value of sin, what is t? X plus a minus sin a into c1 equals cos a into x is x cos a plus a cos a minus sin a into log absolute value of sin x plus a minus sin a into c1 is equal to x cos a minus sin a log absolute value of sin x plus a minus sin a c1 minus plus a cos a. Here minus sin a c1 plus a cos a is an arbitrary constant. So we take this together, a constant, common constant c is equal to x cos a minus sin a log absolute value of sin x plus a plus c, where c is equal to minus sin a c1 plus minus sin a c1 plus a cos a is an arbitrary constant. This is very important question. So our answer is x cos a minus sin a log modulus sin x plus a plus c. This is the answer. Then next question. Seven integral dx by 1 plus tan x dx is equal to 1 plus tan x. Integral dx by 1 plus tan x is sin x by cos x equals integral dx by, take the LCM, cos x upon cos x plus sin x d equals integral dx into cos x by cos x plus sin x. Dx by cos x plus sin x by cos x is equal to dx into cos x by cos x plus sin x is equal to, write dx here, cos x into dx is equal to dx into cos x. Now we take 1 by 2 outside and multiply by inside a2, 2 cos x dx. Here we take 1 by 2 outside the integral and instead of that we multiply by 2 in the numerator. 2 cancelled, we get the previous answer cos x dx by cos x plus sin x. equals. Now this 2 cos x can be written as cos x plus cos x. Here 2 cos x is cos x plus cos x, and here in the numerator we add 1 sin x and subtract 1 sin x. Listen, cos x plus cos x is 2 cos x plus sin x minus 0. So then we take these two together and these two together. Cos x plus sin x plus cos x minus sin x. What is the answer? Sin x cancelled. Cos x plus cos x is 2 cos x dx by here cos x plus sin x. Now we split each one. Cos x plus sin x by cos x plus sin x plus cos x minus sin x by cos x plus sin x. Integral cos x plus sin x by cos x plus sin x dx plus cos x minus sin x by cos x plus sin x dx is equal to, first one is integral cancelled and 1 dx plus integral cos x minus sin x by cos x plus sin x dx. Now put cos x plus sin x is equal to t. Cos x plus sin x is equal to t. Cos x derivative minus sin x plus sin x derivative cos x dx is equal to dt. That is equal to cos x minus sin x into dx is equal to dt. Listen. So this is integral 1 dx integral cos x minus sin x is dt divided by cos x plus sin x is t, and also we take outside 1 by 2. Here also 1 by 2. Here 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Now we integrate. First one 1 by 2 into integral 1 dx is x plus a constant c1 plus log modulus t plus another constant c2. This also 1 by 2 of equals 1 by 2x plus c1 by 2 plus log, what is modulus t? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 log modulus t is cos x plus sin x plus c2 by 2 equals x by 2 plus 1 by 2 log modulus cos x plus sin x plus c1 by 2 plus c2 by 2 equals x by 2 plus half log modulus cos x plus sin x plus c1 by 2 plus c2 by 2 is another constant c, where c is equal to c1 by 2 plus c2 by 2. So our answer is x by 2 plus half log modulus cos x plus sin x plus c, where c is equal to c1 by 2 plus c2 by 2. Thank you.